Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to return an item on Amazon via the app. So here's what you need. First thing, open the Amazon app onto your device. Tap the accounts at the very bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you need to go ahead and select the order section. Locate the specific order that you'd like to return. So just go ahead and select it out, and once you've done that, you will be able to find the return button underneath or just replace the item. Choose a reason for the return from the drop down menu. Select your preferred refund method such as your Amazon account or original payment method, and you could just go ahead and choose the return or locations such as UPS store, Kohl's, or Whole Food, and many locations allow you to return item without a box or shipping label as well. And you could simply use the provided QR code at the drop-off locations or print the label and package the item securely. And that is how you're supposed to return an item on Amazon via the app. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.